How to do affiliate marketing without a website. We are starting right now. Let's go. Hey guys, Toby, welcome back to the channel. If you are brand new here, however, and you're someone who's looking to generate an income on the internet, start affiliate marketing, or make more money doing the affiliate marketing business you already have, make sure to start doing that now by clicking the subscribe button and the notify bell, because my wife Layla and I do provide content each and every week on a Monday and a Wednesday. Sometimes there's even bonus training. So today we're going to touch on a topic that I am super pumped and excited for you to get your hands on. My wife and I have went from living in the basement of a bar, yes, it's a legitimate story, from the basement of a bar to earning 6 figures and then 7 figures inside of affiliate marketing. And this is how we have done it. And today I want to share with you how I would do it right now if I didn't have a website. Now, before we go, obviously, if you have a website, you're going to be looked at with more authority. You're going to be looked at with more as an expert. However, when you're first getting started, the last thing you want to do is spend hours and hours and hours, weeks or months building a site. So I'm going to share with you some of my top ways for you to build a affiliate marketing business without a website. Before we even get there, because we're going to jump over to my desktop in a second here, and I'm going to break down some sites, some tools, different things to make your life easier. I want to remind you, if you are brand new in affiliate marketing, or you've been doing your business online for a couple of weeks, a couple months, and no one is biting at your offers, no one is buying your stuff, no one is coming to see your store, or no one is responding to your links or whatever, chances are it's because you don't know who your audience is and you haven't clearly defined the message. I have a really powerful training on this subject, and I'll link it in the iCard, and I'll put it in the description below for you to check out after you've watched this video, where I basically go deep showing you some free sites online that you can use to learn more about your audience, because then you'll actually be speaking the language that your audience has going on in their head, not just creating things thinking you know what they want to hear. You'll actually be creating things on the data that they've given to you. Okay, so let's jump over to my desktop right now and start going over the content. Now we're on my desktop. Let's talk about leveraging pre-existing interest points in order to make affiliate marketing sales without a website. In a moment here, I'm going to share a smarter way, which I believe is the quickest way for someone to go from brand new to making sales online without having to have a big, bulky website. And it's going to allow you to leverage a sales funnel, a simple web page, really quickly in order to stand out from the crowd. Didn't know? Let me just share with you a few of the biggest affiliate marketing platforms where you can find offers, okay? One of them is Commission Junction. If you just type into Google Commission Junction. Another one, a really major one, probably the biggest player, is ClickBank. And then another one is JVZoo. You are going to be able to build a more established brand inside of your affiliate marketing space industry if you have a full-blown website. That's something that can come weeks, months down the line. If you want something that you can implement quickly, literally on a Monday, and be able to see clicks and leads and sales on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, this is what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to show you exactly how I would, if I was to go back and start doing affiliate marketing brand new. 10 years ago, we've been doing this now. If I was to go back to beginning one, this is exactly how I would approach step number one. First thing I would do is go to ClickBank or JVZoo, and I would find an offer inside of the marketplace that not only had a passionate audience behind it. Now, if you haven't done any sort of market research, customer avatar research, if you don't know who your audience is, I did an epic video on that, and I will link it in the iCard of this video, and I'll put it in the description. Make sure to check that out, because it breaks down the steps you have to go into before you even pick an offer, before you even do anything online with affiliate marketing. You have to know your audience. So let's say for this example that I am going after the paleo market, because I understand that it's a very passionate, trending topic that people are interested in buying. Okay, so I would come to ClickBank, I would put in paleo, sort by gravity. It may be called something else at Commission Junction, it could be called something else at JVZoo, but basically it's the popularity of the offer and how well it's converting. When we sort by gravity, it's going to show me the different points that I want to see in this data down here in the stats. I want to know, is it something I can make money from? Is it something that has a low refund rate? Is the gravity high? The higher the gravity number, that's what we want to be tapping into. So I could scroll through and see a lot of these are $19 a sale, $14 a sale, $30 a sale. Pay, right, to get the ball rolling. But for me, I want something that is going to pay me more for the same amount of work, right? It just makes sense. If I'm going to take the time to do this, I want to be able to make more. If you want access to some of Layla and I's personal private affiliate offers that you won't find on any of these platforms, you can either check the link section below this video or ask us in a comment and we will share some with you. Because for us, after doing this 10 years, we don't really want to be swimming in this giant ocean of people who are already promoting the same affiliate marketing offers. We want to be able to stand out from the crowd with something that not a lot of people have seen, something that pays us plus $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 US a commission. Because think about it, right? If you're going to do the work and you get paid $50, why not choose something that you can do the work and get paid $1,000+ for a commission? As soon as you learn and appreciate and understand, it takes the same amount of effort to sell someone to buy something high ticket as it does to buy something of a low ticket, everything will transform for you. So let's say, for an example, we want to go ahead and pick this one, over 40 keto. So we can right click and take a look at the sales page, how this 59-year-old grandma near deadly battle with cancer and premature menopause led to amazing headline. This would definitely work for over 40s, over 50s, okay? So now we could start thinking about our audience. All right, so if we're trying to make affiliate marketing sales without a website, because obviously if we had a website, we could just completely fill it with articles, with posts, with videos, educating our consumer, our buyer on the front end, driving traffic to this authority site. But that's something, like I said, that should take weeks and months to implement unless you have the money to just hire someone. So let's talk about a strategy you can do to make affiliate sales without a website using this. So let's say we're going to go ahead and use this offer. Let me just show you the bare bones minimum of what you can do. Well, all you have to do is click promote. It'll populate with the link and then you put your account nickname. So you have to sign up with ClickBank and then you get a nickname and then you would put that in there and it would generate your link. Then you would be out and about online using this link, but your own affiliate link. You could come into different social media sites like Facebook, like YouTube, like Instagram, and leverage already pre-existing interest points. And what do I mean by that? I'm not a part of any of these groups on Facebook, but what you would have to do is come in and join the group first, and then you'd be able to go in. So I'm just going to use one of these fan pages as an example. Imagine this is a group. If you were doing this for a health and wellness paleo style offer, what I would do is join the group, obviously. Inside of the group, I would see if there are any really hot trending topics inside of the group that people are commenting, liking, and interacting with. If there is, then I'm going to go onto that post and I'm going to share some value. I'm not just going to go onto that post and leave a comment and harass people, pitch people, spam my link. That's not going to work. No one's going to buy into that. No one's going to end up clicking your link and buying your affiliate offer because they see you as a spammer. They see you as basically an annoyance. Just think about it. In real life, if you were to meet someone and the first thing that they say out their mouth to you was buy my stuff, what are you going to do? You're going to walk the other way. Treat this the same. But if you meet someone who's interested in you, listens and provides value, you are then attracted to that person. Let's say that you are brand new in the paleo world. You have no idea anything about it. You're not an expert. What you would do is come to YouTube, type in paleo, and then filter through the view count. And let's find the most popular engaged video with paleo. So here's an ad, 10 foods you should never eat. What we could do is go and watch this ad, take note about it, and maybe get 3 or 4 different ones. Then what I could do is come back to Facebook inside of the group and either make a post myself or comment on the most popular posts, something like, I love this post, really got me thinking. Here's some other things that came to mind as I was watching this, or reading this, or listening to this. here's the top 6 foods to avoid on the paleo diet, or something like that. What you could also do in order to provide even more value, as long as you give credit to the actual person that created the video or uploaded the video, you could actually download the YouTube video by using a Chrome extension, which is called YouTube Professional Downloader. So if you just go to Google and type in addoncrop.com/YouTube video downloader, go to that link. It's a free Google Chrome extension. When you put it inside of your Google Chrome, then what you're gonna be able to do, anytime you come to YouTube, a little button is gonna appear right below the video, and you can actually download it either as an MP3 or a video. Then what you can do, let's say you download it as an MP3, you can come to a free tool called Otter.ai, import the audio to there, and it will transcribe the audio for you. Here's one I've done about Tony Robbins. What I would then do is just take that text, edit it up, give credit to the person who created it, and I would actually go inside of that paleo group and post that with a nice image or the existing video. And what does that do? It allows people to see, hey, this person knows what they're talking about when it comes to paleo. Now, you can do this for any industry out there. This is just an example that I'm showing you. So once you've started to interact with comments, interact with people who are interested in your topic, once you've posted valuable content on your own profile, inside of groups as a comment, as your own post, if you're allowed to do that inside of groups, you are now going to have people coming to you asking you for more information. You're going to have people commenting about, do you have things that they could check out? You're also going to be able to have people start messaging you. You could also do this method on YouTube. You can find the top 10 or 20 most popular videos for paleo, go into the video and start leaving really powerful, valuable comments on these YouTube videos. And you can see here, when you put good comments up, I don't know if these are good or not, but you can get 60, 100, even 200. I've seen as much as 2,000 people replying to your comment if it's a valuable comment. So that's a quick and easy way for you to legitimately take everything that's free without a website and start making affiliate sales. Now, I want to go a little bit deeper. What I would do here, and I'll be using a tool that we use day in and day out that I strongly recommend anyone that's doing any sort of affiliate marketing online should be using, and it's called ClickFunnels. Basically, it allows you to build high converting web pages that look like this in a matter of seconds by clicking a button. If you're interested in having a 14-day free trial, please make sure to click the link in the description and you'll be able to take advantage of a 14-day free trial. So let's add another level to this that will allow you to stand out from the noise, because think about it, there could be thousands, tens of thousands of people online promoting this same offer, driving straight to this affiliate offer. So what you can do is add another layer in by having your own web page set up. You can see here, I've actually said that they can get a free paleo cookbook. Now, if you don't have a report, or if you don't have a cookbook, or you don't have something that you've created or you have access to, why don't you just use the method I just shared with you? If you come to YouTube and type in paleo cooking or paleo recipes, download a few of these videos of the audio, go to Otter.ai, upload the audio, and then within a couple of clicks, you now have a book, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pages that you could then for free offer to someone. And as long as you give credit where credit's due and you don't take this as your own and try and sell it, everything is completely legal, everything's completely above board. You will not get any hassle from that. So let's think about this right now. I have found my offer on ClickBank. I then decided that, hey, instead of me just sending people to a sales page, I'm going to warm them up a little bit first on social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever it may be. Then sending them straight to the sales page, I'm going to send them for this free paleo cookbook. Okay? And when someone puts in their email address, not only are they telling you, hey, I'm really interested in this, but they're also giving you their email that you can market to a later date. Once they click download your free cookbook, boom, they're going to be redirected over to this page. Now, this is one extra step you have to do in the process, but it will allow you to stand out from the noise. It will allow you to differentiate yourself from all the people doing that, and you'll be able to make more sales and happier customers because you're taking the time to actually warm them up on the front end. One last thing I want to show you here. Let's say that you can't find any groups on Facebook or fan pages to interact with. Let's say that there's no videos on YouTube. Let's say there's no fan page or no big pages on Instagram, which in this day and age is absolutely impossible. But let's just say for this, it is. What I would then do, that come to Google, and I would either start placing ads of my own. As you can see here, anytime someone places in the paleo diet, this is a paid advertisement here. So if you don't have a website and you don't want to build a quick little sales funnel or anything like that, you just want to send people directly to your offer, then you can go to Google AdWords and pay Google, hey, anytime someone searches paleo diet or paleo cookbook or whatever keyword around your topic, you want your ad to pop up before everything else. And again, you can just put the link in, so when someone clicked this ad, it would bring them over to the sales page of your affiliate offer. This stuff is awesome, right? I'm glad that you went through the content. Thanks for hanging out with me. Make sure to right now go through some of the other videos on our site. We have lots of training from digital marketing, affiliate marketing, copywriting, so many different things for you to tap into. And also, if you want to take a sneak peek at some of our private affiliate offers that we use inside of our affiliate marketing business that allow us to pay for our lifestyle, travel the world, raise our kids from home, please make sure to check out the links in the description. They will all be in there for you. And again, if you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when new content comes out every single week. Take care.